welcome back to another video of Adrian's World. And we're going to be playing some more Monster Jam, in case y'all were wondering. Here we go. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Alright, here we go. So we're just going to go around here. And we're just going to do this jump. I take it back. So we're just going to go around here. And we're just going to go like, yeah. Oh. But you see, that's the problem. I kind of missed and I don't know what to do. So I'm just going to... Oh! That was pretty good, I guess. Now it's that time. That time again. Oh! That was actually epic. Oh, I forgot to say this, but my goal is actually 1,000,000 points. Just like the other video. Oh. If you haven't seen the first video of Monster Jam, check it out. It was actually pretty cool. No cappity cap cap. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh yeah, I'm crashing over cars. What's up? Hopefully nobody was inside of them. Nervous laugh. Make sure you like and subscribe to Adrian's World and follow my TikTok at Adrian's World 10, no spaces. Thank you very much. I've got some pretty cool stuff. Oh, I'm on 2 wheels. Well, I was on 2 wheels. That was pretty cool. Let's go back on this ramp. Here we go. I did it. Oh, yeah, I did it. I'm going to do another one. Oh, I almost got it. Oh. Bro, if I keep on going like this, I'm going to reach my goal in no time. I've already got 407,000 points. Oh, come on, do a backflip. Yes. I did it. Just like Max D and Gravedigger and El Toro Loco. Crash over these cars really quick. Oh, what just happened? Crash over these cars really quick. Crash over these cars a little, really quick. Oh, yeah. I'm kind of stuck. Oh, hold on. Guys, do you see that? Oh, hold on. Let me just do one last jump. Guys, do y'all see that? That's 1,000,000 points. I just did that. Alright, well, like and subscribe. I guess. I did it! Follow my TikTok, Adrian's World 10. I've got some pretty cool stuff. And, bye-bye!